All right, guys, we got mama and baby, bunny and babies. Check this whole thing out. This thing is mama magically has 2, 3, or 4 babies. That's pretty cool. When will they arrive? We just don't know. It is the Little Life Pets situation. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. We are curious to see. And there is stickers all over this thing. So you just got to start pulling off from the tape area and stuff like that. So we're going to pop off this whole bottom piece.
Food.
Yep, we got food on here, all kinds of crazy stuff. Let's go ahead and see if we can open it up all the way. Get everything just opened out. There we go. Inside, it has your directions here right on the bottom. So that's all the important stuff right here. And then as far as taking this apart, you have these little twisties on the bottom right here. So you just twist them little 90 degrees. Okay, twisting 90 degrees, and then they'll just pop out just one little twist, just like so. And then there is the actual piece right here, which is super cool. We got tape across the top. So I know if you're trying to get into this, you want the kids to be able to. And pop that on there. Now, what it says on here, it says items inside. It says the accessories. You got a birth certificate. You have paper straw and the instruction manual. It says do not discard. So we got to make sure we look at that. I'm going to open this piece up here. And take this off.
And this tape right here, that's why we can't get in yet.
Oh, yeah, we gotta open that up.
Got the tape.
Got it. Bada boom, bada bang. Okay. So as we got this one right here, making it work.
That's blocking it to come out.
Yep, we got all these. Got this one is in here quite. All right, so we got everything out right here, which is super important. We got the water spigot right here on the side. So this is going to be able to pop it right here. The little water piece, you're going to put right here on the side, which is super important, and click in there. So that's where it goes. Okay, and on here it says remove lock.
There's a no tape.
Okay, there's a little bit of lock on the inside. Yep, we'll get that. Okay, we'll get that.
Probably this will put water inside.
Yep, we got the bunnies. Let's remove that. And
You need to get the bunny out.
I'm not sure how to do that, but we'll figure it out though. And then there's a little lock in here that we have to remove as well. Let's see if we can open up the top. Alright. It's all about figuring it out here. Oh, okay. Bunny is movable from the little pops on the bottom.
That's how you do it.
And now, okay, now that she removes, you got little stuff everywhere. So we just got to twist it off of them. And then we got the bunny that's movable. There we go. And then you have your movable spot here on the back that needs to come out as well.
I'll give it some food.
Yep. Let's see how we do this. Remove the lock. There we go. From it all.
How would the babies come out?
I don't know. We're going to find out soon
Probably
enough.
get
All right.
some food and water.
Okay. Now we have
We're
that.
probably gonna need to take off the tape and put water inside.
Absolutely. So we're definitely going to get to that here in just a second. That is the whole setup. Let's go ahead and see. So we have the ability to put the bunny on the inside. I want to show everybody all the pieces so we can see what's going on. And then what we'll do is we'll come back, we'll get it all put together, and be able to show you guys. So you do have, this has got the, on the inside, the accessories in here. So we have to get in and open it up. We're going to drop this on the inside. We're going to fill this with water, and then we're going to be back to it. You hit the pause button, and we'll get to the next steps.